Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. Happy Sunday. As Tesla removes the order button from its website in China for all imported vehicles like the Model S, etc., NIO has reached its 100,000th delivery in Shanghai. And this is the button has been removed due to the tariffs, and China already said it last week that they don't need to raise tariffs anymore. Even if the Trump administration raised it even higher, American products is already unmarketable in China, so people would not buy it. While this is happening, NIO reaches its 100,000 delivery in Shanghai, marking a milestone in the city where it has its global headquarters. Since 2024, last year, for every 2 pure electric vehicles sold in Shanghai, priced above 300,000 RMB, there is one NIO vehicle. That's how much we're selling. So when people say, well, show me the delivery numbers, as if our revenue will only come from deliveries, like Xpeng and the others, Li Auto, our revenue will come from tech, from being the future of gas stations, and so much more, as well as deliveries. And we see that now where NIO has signed an agreement to sell 47 and to sell McLaren Tech. And there's also a deal that just took place and no one knows who it is. It's $1 billion deal to sell technology as well. There is rumors out there, but I'm not going to, go into rumors. I'm going to wait till it's real and then I'm going to talk about it. But NIO has reached its 100,000 car delivery in Shanghai, marking a milestone for the electric vehicle maker in the city where it has its global headquarters. And this is for our main brand. With Dr. Shenfei now leading the sub-brand segment, he was the leader, he was our CEO of our energy department in the battery swapping segment, and you see what an incredible job he's done. What do you think will happen now with the sub-brand segment? So William Lee, the company founder, chairman, CEO, announced a milestone in a short Weibo video today, and NIO has shared the moment on its mobile app. This comes 7 years after the delivery of the first NIO ES8 in Shanghai 2018, NIO said. Back in 2018. This is why I've always said this is a long-term goal, a long-term vision. Just like with Amazon, you have to have patience. And if you're a real investor, you will seize the opportunity just like I did. And I'm not saying you should do what I did, but I sold off most of the shares in all of the other companies that I had just to buy more NIO and bring my shares up from 16,025 to 21,000 shares exact. And I will keep buying as I get paid, because I understand that we are at that pivotal moment now where NIO is going to start skyrocketing this year. And there will be no coming back because of all of what's happening with our sub-brand ramp up, which we were waiting for, the Onvo L60, the L90 that's coming, the Firefly that's about to be released, the factory that's going to be finished building in China this year, the factory that we're going to build in Africa, all of the new NT 3.0 models that's going to be released from next month. There's so much catalyst. The government still is yet to release the stimulus. There is so much coming, guys. Worldwide expansion, 25 countries this year. This is going to be amazing. And just like with Amazon, if you have patience, millionaires will be created. Millionaires will be created. In Shanghai car market with prices above 300,000 yuan, which is $41,400, NIO has become the first Chinese brand to reach the 100,000 unit delivery milestone, it said. And as we all know, we outsold Mercedes, Benz, Audi, BMW in China combined. Since 2024, for every 2 pure electric vehicles sold in Shanghai priced above RMB 300,000, there is a NIO vehicle, the company said. There are already 10 NIO car clubs and over 500 user communities in Shanghai. NIO is headquartered in Jidang district, northwest of Shanghai, which is one of the most EV-friendly cities, By the end of March, NIO's cumulative delivery stood at 713,658 units. And I forgot to mention also, another one of the huge catalysts is all of our battery swap stations going forward is going to build by partnerships. This is going to be amazing for us this year. Shanghai offers free green licenses plates for EV models, while registering a gasoline or hybrid vehicles requires an auction to obtain a blue plate, which sold for a minimum of RMB 94,100 yuan in the latest March auction. So I'm not going to go into the whole article, guys. You guys can find this on CNEV Post. But this causes me to be even more bullish, and I can't wait for this Friday when I get paid to buy even more shares again. And I will keep buying and buying and buying. Every penny will go into NIO. I hope you guys found this video to be informational, inspirational, and motivational on a Sunday morning. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the game is played on Wall Street. And like 50 Cent, we get rich or we die trying, guys.